Assalamu alaikum girls. Today we will discuss about the corrosion of iron, which is also called rusting of iron. And rusting of iron will take place due to the presence of water. When any metal surface, ruptured metal surface comes into contact with water and water droplets and water layer, it will start to rust. The main cause of rusting and the main process of rusting start when the metal surface is ruptured and cracked and damaged by anything. The damaged surface act as an anode and oxidation of iron take place at the damaged surface. Iron will remove electron, Fe will remove electron and oxidation take place and it is called anodic side. The rupture sides from the rusting or process of rusting is called anodic side, and this side metal atom remove 2 electron and these electrons go towards the water layer, and the oxygen from the air and carbon dioxide from the air dissolve in water, and the water will be changed into carbonic acid, and reduction takes place at the cathode due to oxygen from the air, and these 4 electron and oxygen will convert water into hydroxide ion, and the electrons hydroxide ion and that will comes in contact with iron and will convert into hydroxide ion, which will again trap more oxygen and will oxidize to Fe2O3, which is rust, and which is the formula of rusting of iron, and which cause the rust of iron, which is called compound Fe2O3, and it is formed by the action of iron and oxygen and water molecules. Oxidation take place at anodic side. You can see on the screen that anodic side is that where damage of the surface take place and electrons move and given out by iron, and these electrons will move towards the cathodic side where it will react with oxygen and water molecule, and water gives hydrogen ions, and hydrogen ions comes from the carbonic acid and a weak acid which is formed due to the dissolution of carbon dioxide in the water, which will convert into carbonic acid, and this carbonic acid provide hydrogen ion for the reduction to take place. This hydrogen ion hydroxide will convert into 4 ions, hydrogen ions, and these react with at cathode 2 hydrogen ions and 2 electrons. Hydrochloric acid